Okay.
Decay is by don't go first.
Chaos, ring till mammerna. Ring till mammerna till Chaos.
Backar som du.
Mammerna sier du må stemme.
Chill out.
No, Decaeus, did you bite instantly then?
Yeah, sorry.
This is you're gonna have to be very careful now. You'll become vampires in the middle of the flight phase.
Just put fear word on them.
Just use Berserker
late.
Rage or something.
Use fear word when they go up.
Can't they just wait
You'll have to wait until 2 seconds are left to bite them. So,
Who do we bite?
Decaeus bites Hellfighter and don't bite Tyrannus.
Hellfighter is done till hug crew. Revenge.
4 5. Jerry klarar inte att för utland så.
Bara en cent till vänster då.
They go pop sacrifice.
Så käkar han
Nej,
ut
får jag gå till dem.
We have combat reses. Tyder, can you rank combat res in me?
Nej, jag har ingen.
Decaeus bite Ghostlike, don't bite Wylo. Hellfighter bite Xenoth, and Tyrannus bite Imi if he gets combat res. Can we get him up?
on the range.
Tyrannus will combat res with me, okay?
I want more damage, come on.
Take my damage.
Xenon kanske kommer in.
Jag kom nu.
Ghostlike. Come to Chaos is done till Attrick.
Fighting
Come on,
is-
guys. Come up på Judas.
Okay, Decaeus bites Grimoire, don't bites Tyder. Hellfighter bites Dracolia, Tyrannus Excalibur, Ghostlike Chikio, Wylo, Jumbo, Xenoth revived, and Imi, Kaelin. As soon as you get bitten, Tyder, Bloodlust.
I'll just not in there. Alltså,
Dracolia. Dracolia kanske kommer in.
Ja, jag hade.
Ah, shit.
Jag ska åka till versus eller Attrick.
Jumpa stant där.
Nej.
Jag stampar bak där.
Det är fjört. Nu kan ni. Möss minne.
The Holy Priest, you can switch to DPS as well now. Just JPM keep up group 5 and Dead Rattle and Ubonica keep up the tanks.
My damage kom.
Ja, det är kill.
Leon.
Yes!
Fuck yes!